Hello everybody, this is the BrainyAnt demo. Welcome to our website BrainyAnt.com, where you can find more about what we're doing and who we are. In order to take control of the robots, just press Explore Robots, which will take you to the public robots page. You can see that we have two over here, one is online and one is offline. To control the robot, just press the control button, which will take you to the robot page, and then press play to actually take control. You can see that a live video stream starts immediately after pressing the button, and on the right side you can see the controls that you can press on the keyboard, which is S, W, A, and D. And when pressing these keys, you can see that the robot moves left, right, forward, or of course backward. You also have a sensor system that can be read continuously, or you can read it one value at a time. This robot can only move around because this is how it was designed. If you're linking your own robot, you can define your own behaviors. To find out more about how you can link your own robot, you can just access our libraries from GitHub. We have Python libraries, Node.js, and Robot Operating System. They're all open source and they contain a lot of information about how you can do development and how you can connect new devices to our system. Once you connect your device, it will be accessible only to you, but then you can use our sharing system to send it to friends or family via email, make it public, and then create its own identity with a name and with a picture. This is it for now. Stay tuned to BrainyAnt.com to new features. We're planning to add a programming tool that works online and to be compatible with a lot of robots.